Hello everyone, this is Bindu Kumar here. Let's solve this question together. In which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an arithmetic progression, find the common difference d and write three more terms. So what we must do is we must look at the list of numbers and then check if they are an arithmetic progression. Only if they are an arithmetic progression, then we must find the common difference and we must also write three more terms. So let's look at the list of numbers here. We have 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 2. So we will also write A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now how do we know if this list of numbers are an arithmetic progression? So for that first we'll write the formula for arithmetic progression. So a set of numbers A1, A2, A3 and A4 are said to be in arithmetic progression if they are of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. So here the common difference D is equivalent to A of n plus 1 minus A of n. For example, D will be equal to A3 minus A2 and the value for this will also be equal to A2 minus A1. So let's apply this formula to first check if they are a arithmetic progression. So we'll start that by finding out the common difference. So I'll say D equal to A4 minus A3. So here the value of A4 is 7 by 2 minus A of 3. A of 3 is equivalent to 3. So now we'll solve this. So what I'll do is I will write a denominator here 3 by 1 equal to, now we will cross multiply the numerator into denominator. So 7 into 1. So let me write that down, 7 into 1 in bracket. Then we have the symbol minus here. So I'll write minus and then again this numerator into the other denominator 3 into 2, the whole thing divided by denominator into denominator, which is 2 into 1. So we get 7 minus 6 by 2, which is equivalent to 1 by 2. So this is the common difference we found for A4 minus A3. Now let's also find out the common difference between A3 minus A2. Remember, if these list of numbers are in arithmetic progression, then the common difference should match. So here A3 is 3 minus A2 is 5 by 2. So I'll do a similar thing here, which is add 1 as the denominator, cross multiplying numerator into denominator 3 into 2 minus again numerator into denominator, we have 5 into 1 divided by denominator into denominator 1 into 2 equals 6 minus 5 by 2 and we get 1 by 2. So now you can observe that we got the same common difference between A4 minus A3 and A3 minus A2. So with this we can say that yes, this list of numbers are an arithmetic progression. Now what should we find out? If it's an arithmetic progression, we should find out the common difference D and three more terms. Now we have already identified the common difference, that is, and it is 1 by 2. Now let's find out the three terms. Okay, so for this I will make a little space here. Okay, so we already have A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now we need to find three more terms. So which will be A5, A6 and A7. So if you see the formula here, this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is the formula for A4. So now as you can guess, the formula for A5 will be A5 equal to A plus 4D. We know the value of A. A is the same as A1, which is 2, plus 4 into D. D we have found it as 1 by 2. 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. So, which is 4 by 2. 4 by 2, we can simplify this. 2 ones are 2 and 2 into 2, 4. So we get 2 plus 2, which is equivalent to 4. So the value of A5 is 4. So now we can write down the result here as A5 is 4. We still have to find two more terms, A6 and A7. The formula for A6 will be A plus 5D, which equals 2 plus 5 into 1 by 2, which equals 2 plus 5 by 2. Now here I'll add a denominator as 1, numerator into denominator, which is 2 into 2, plus numerator into denominator, which is 5 into 1, the whole number divided by denominator into denominator, 2 into 1, which equals 4 plus 5 by 2, which equals 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is the sixth term. So let's write that down here. 9 by 2 is the sixth term. Now we have to find out A of 7. Again, I'm running out of space here, so I'll erase some of this. Okay. So now the formula for A of 7. So A of 7 will be A plus 60, right? And A is 2 plus 6 into the common difference, which is 1 by 2, equals 2 plus 6 by 2. So we have 2 into 1 equal to 2 and 2 into 3 equal to 6. So which is 2 plus 3 and the answer is 5. So the value of A7 is 5. So with this we can say that yes, this list of numbers is an arithmetic progression and the difference, which is D, is 1 by 2, and the three more terms that we have identified are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. This is the answer. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified of new videos.